Well, guys, I might as well explain. You probably know what I was doing, but I might as well explain it. I got this, as you can see, I'm just gonna show you the boxes. I got the battery in the car. Z Power. I never tried one of these. Found the 3S cheap, figured I'd try them. These plastic drive cups, I didn't break one or anything like that. They still in perfect shape. But when I found the battery, I happened to run across these guys that you saw me installing on Amazon. Simple install. It was basic, man. Let me get my flashlight because my light is not doing me justice right now. Check this out, fellas. When they encompass the entire drive axle, the whole dog bone. It won't, you know what I mean? It doesn't give it room to flop around. I'm gonna see how this affects the run. You know what I'm saying? But it encloses the entire dog bone. You get a set of 4. I paid like $10 for these. And I got these with them. I promise you I can't think of the name of these things right now. I got 2 extra left. It came with 6. I got 2 extra. And man, you know how that is. You catch a deal, you gotta try it out. I count the battery. It was cheap. And I found these steel. They're not aluminum, which aluminum is lighter, but these are steel. This is cool. It's not like I'm finna be trying to break speed records with this thing. I just like to build a durable RC. So I picked these up because man, you couldn't beat 4 of them for $9, dude, $10 on Amazon. I'm gonna look it up and share the link, you know. I got my Z Power 3S battery. This thing fits like a charm. I don't expect no huge run time. If I get 20 minutes, I'll be more than satisfied because, you know, and I have a tendency, it's weird. It's like I got an internal clock. I only seem to run my car down to when it hits the storage voltage. I don't know why, but for some reason, it's like, okay, I think I'm gonna stop. And it's always right at storage voltage. I never hit low voltage cutoff. You know, maybe I'm getting old. I hope not. But anyway, I threw that stuff in. I got my 3S battery. I'm finna get out here and get this run in, y'all. So I'm gonna go to the spot I ran it before on 2S, run it on 3S. See what happens. Hope y'all enjoy it. Hope I don't crash. Hope I don't blow it up. Like I said, I'm not sure. You know, I went back and looked at it again. This is what made me go on 3S. I went back and looked at it again. And it says touring cars, on-road cars, you could run this motor. It's a 4,300 kV, but they saying 4,000. You can run a 3S battery on a road car for 4,000 with a 60 amp ESC. So I'm gonna test the theory, see what happens. And y'all might see something real good. Y'all might see a car fire. Who knows? Anyway, thanks for tuning in. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, share the video, comment, let me know what you think. It's TKS Hobby. Peace.
How you going to hit the camera?